Once again, we've got a mountain of boxes over here, and I have little idea what's in any of them. And this big one is very heavy. It's a little wet. Probably don't even really need the knife, it's so wet. Oh, the symbol that looks like 2 tells me this is some sort of Asgard's Wrath 2 box. It's pretty weird to see a box this big and fancy, and it seriously looks like they used like actual Scotch tape, and they were in such a hurry when they used it that they completely missed one of their shots. Like, I'm guessing that was that one. Good times. Asgard's Wrath 2. Oh, okay, that looks pretty amazing. Is this the artwork of the game? Wow, this is no joke. 3 giant game art posters. Something that I have to build. Give me a second, I'll get this one together. Oh no. All that fanciness and the most basic generic remote control for an LED light you've ever seen. It's because when people do something like this, a lot of times it's a little custom. So like you can see this controller box was literally wired by somebody for this. Is there anything else? I believe that is it. Oh, something to hang it on the wall with. I finally understand why companies don't send you batteries. I've learned when you ship batteries, there's a lot more worries about fires with the boxes, a lot of issues. So there has to be special packaging, sometimes it costs more. So I finally get why so many things say batteries not included, but like, I'm not gonna have AAA batteries sitting here ready to go. So I hope this thing lights up well enough on its own. Give me just one more check though before I completely write them off. We got wall mounts that I missed. Okay, I'm pretty positive there's no batteries in there. Let's just hope when you plug this thing in, that's enough. Aha! So you got 2 options. You can wall mount or you can use this stand it comes with. Kind of a rickety stand, but I guess it'll do the job. And there we go. Asgard's Wrath 2 light up sign. It'll look better against like a backdrop wall, but I don't have anything here to quite simulate that. White would look better than black, but hey, black is what we got. This is really cool. The amount of beauty in the pictures, the details from the games. The light, it definitely feels like it's got some neat design, but whoever made it, I'm not sure if they make a lot of neon lights yet. It feels like it's kind of new with like this wire hanging out the front and stuff, but we're not here to review an LED sign. It's cool. Thank you, Asgard, for sending this. We're back from CES. We're back from our travels for a month, and I don't have any traveling coming, I think, for at least 2 months. That changes quick though, you just never know. But thank you once again to all of you out there. And yeah, you'll probably see this pop up in the new background. We got a new stand, we got stuff to show you, but that'll come in the studio tours you've been asking for. So thank you, and I'll see you in another reality.